Okay, this video is to show you guys what I want you to do on each of your computers to have bookmarked or saved as a favorite so that we can practice what we need to do on Desmos when we take the STAAR test. So if you did not already do this in class, you need to watch this video and get that bookmarked on your computer. So the reason I'm at Google right now is because I want you to just go to a fresh Google Chrome page and you're going to type in star Desmos calculator, like this first one, star STAAR Desmos calculator. Once you have that, I'm going to choose that one and go to the one that says graphing calculator Texas version right there. Okay. So click that, and then I want you to make it a favorite or bookmark it. So on mine, I would do it like this, and I already have the bookmark, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Save to favorites. So I've got star there, and right here it has a green band at the top, and it says Texas version right here. Um, so Now I'm going to teach you how to make a table in Desmos so that you can do that if you need to on the STAR test. We're going to learn lots of tips and tricks for the STAR test for Desmos. But for now, I just want to teach you how to make a table. So if you see the plus sign at the top left under where it says Desmos, this plus sign, I'm about to touch it. It says expression, table, or inference. So I'm going to do a table and it pops up like that. So our X is on the left and our Y is on the right, just like it is when we have a table in our books. So let's say, let's not do a proportional relationship. So I'm not going to start at 0, 0, but let's say I'm going to start at 0, 2. Oops. And then click over on your Y table and put a 2. So then let's say I'm going to go 1, 7, 2, 12. Now, see on the green, I've got these green dots being plotted. You may see yours or you may not. It's okay if you don't. Let's do 2 more points. 3 and 17. And if you notice, I'm counting up by fives. Oop, 4 and 22. Go back. 22. 22. There we go. So now I'm done with the graph. And so if you don't see your points, you can click on the zoom in button right here, that magnifying glass, and it would take you to your points. So now I want to graph that. You can turn off and on your dots right there. See if I click that and those go away, I don't see my plotted points anymore. But I touch it again and I see my plotted points. So now I want to see what that graph looks like in an equation. So this little expression right underneath, to the left of the table, right underneath where it says number 1, and it's got dots on either side of a line. You're going to touch that, and it is going to show you, sorry, I was just looking at that for a second. It's going to show you your y equals mx plus b. So I have y equals 5x plus 2. I went up by fives every time. So my slope was 5. And then I started at 2, 0, 2. So my y-intercept is 0, 2. So we are going to be using that as we learn how to get ready for the STAR test. So I wanted you to know how to make a table, how to find the graph of that table. Yeah. So if you click that, it puts the graph right here and we could change it in different ways. Um, but we'll deal with that later. But my main thing is I want you to have Desmos, the Texas version, bookmarked on your computer and then know how to make a table. and we'll learn how to do more things from there. Okay?